Hey, it's Raquel again, and welcome to the third episode of my fashion tour, Cute Prom Wear, Episode 3. Let's get started. Andrea, Party. Nancy, Game Time. Ambi, Style. And Haley, So Cool. As you can see, Andrea is wearing a very pretty prom dress with a white plaid skirt and very popping colors. As a color light green, or as you could say, a very yellow greenish color. Pea green, something like that. Nancy is wearing a very party dress with a mermaid fishtail. Ambi is wearing a pretty elegant top dress with a pretty black pleated skirt that goes all the way down to her feet. And Haley is wearing a party dress. I want to say party, but like a cocktail dress with lots of pop and color. You know the usual. Please subscribe and in the comments down below put who has the best hair, best name, best dress, best shoes, sometimes, and who has the best quote. Thank you.